How to turn off read receipts on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger so you can read message without the sender knowing that you have read it. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the settings. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now after that, simply scroll down to the section called What People See and tap on Read Receipts. And here you'll see the option for Show Read Receipts, and by default this is turned on, meaning people can see when you have read their message. So simply toggle it off and that's it. Now when you read a message, the sender won't be notified. And that's how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.